KORLOY's representative turning Cermet series, CN1500, 2500, CC1500, 2500 series. Non-coated inserts CN1500 and CN2500 and coated inserts CC1500 and CC2500 have improved the lifetime and performance in a variety of machining conditions and workpieces. The representative negative type chip breaker consists of MP and VQ and GM. And the representative positive type chip breaker consists of VL, MP and C25. The steel and cast iron only P15 grade and steel only P25 grade ensure high performance in a wider range of areas. Excellent in high-speed machining, the non-coated Cermet series is the leader of next-generation CN1500 and CN2500, have excellent abrasion resistance in high-speed and continuous machining. Improved chipping resistance provides the most complete solution. Non-coated inserts CN1500 and CN2500 ensure the stability of high-speed machining by homogenizing the microstructure. Improving the base material surface treatment technology, chipping resistance, and crack resistance are enhanced. In addition, the surface roughness was improved by optimizing the insert cutting edge, and the surface roughness of the workpiece after processing was measured to be 1.6 times better than that of the other companies. Excellent in high-speed machining, the coated Cermet series is the leader of next-generation CC1500 and CC2500, have high abrasion resistance in high-speed and continuous machining, and have improved craterability, providing the most complete solution. Coated inserts CC1500 and CC2500 has secured excellent thin film roughness through thin film surface treatment technology and improved work surface roughness. CN1500 and CC1500 are for high-speed continuous processing, and CN2500 and CC2500 are for high-speed steel intermittent processing. The Cermet series boasts outstanding performance in machining automotive and machine parts. From roughing to finishing, it can be machined in a variety of conditions and environments, and it has up to 50% improved lifespan compared to products of other companies, ensuring stable performance. KORLOY's new turning series, Cermet, presents the ultimate special processing experience. KORLOY.